You are so beautiful. So captivating inside and out. The way that you are so kind and patient, but responsible and respectful. Soft, but tough. The way that you go after what you want and you don't take no for an answer. I love that about you. I love that you're a go-getter. I love that you have a mind of your own. You are so creative. And there is so much to be learned by you. There really is. I just love the way that you see things differently. I love the way that you try to get different perspectives. You never just let be. You are such a problem solver. You are going to go so far in life. I just really value who you are as a person. And I am so proud of you. You're so headstrong. I admire your faith, even around the faithful, even in the dark. But also love yourself, the way you're able to balance pouring into others and yourself at the same time. I love how balanced you are. I look up to you so much. Your thoughts are so unique, so innovative, so creative. I love watching you in your creative side. And I know that you're going to go far in life. I know that you're going to go so far because you have the strength and tenacity and discipline to do so. Look in the ways in which you've already proved yourself that to be true in your life. And I cannot wait to see where it takes you. Because I know you're going to go far. You have such a successful mind. In the way that you're able to protect without projecting, lead without controlling. You truly are so rare. One of the things that I adore about you is how emotionally aware you are. How intelligent you are. You're one of the smartest people I have ever met. And how you're so good with money. You're so responsible. You're all around just someone I really look up to. Someone I can really learn from. You are so creative. So loving. Charming.